this is me Laneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. 3CE came up with their spring collection Mood for Blossom and I spent $240 and bought the entire collection. Can you imagine my extra self? Yeah, totally. I bought all 5 blushes, 5 lipsticks, eyeshadow palette and 3 polishes. Now come with me on review train. The polishes are beautiful. Full review on it is in description box and in cards as well. Now let's talk about the star of the show, Bichimuze palette. Now the entire collection's packaging is in plastic with matte coating on it that feels luxurious. This palette has 9 shades of blossom-like pink and peach tone colors to create various spring looks. It has soft matte, creamy shimmers and sparkling glittery shades in it that are so versatile. The shades are buildable and blendable without clumps. I bought this palette for $40. Now I know it's very expensive for such a palette, but trust me, it's all worth it if you are a 3CE fan. I'm applying this peach matte shade on my entire lid with finger. Now using Body Shop's flat shadow brush, I'm applying same shade with the brush and it's easier to work with the brush. Now taking this mauve shade, I'm applying it over the peach shade. You can see I'm patting it to build the color. Now taking a fluffy clean brush, I'm blending the edges of the shadow upwards so there is no harsh line. Taking dark orchid matte color, I'm applying it on my outer V of eyes to create depth. Now I'm using pink shimmer and applying it over the entire lid. Now taking this beautiful peach shimmer, I'm applying it on the outer V of my eyes and blending it towards the middle of my eyes a little. Now using the holographic shadow, I'm applying it on the middle part of my eyes only. Oh my god, it's the most beautiful shadow worth $240. I'm applying this bronze shadow on the outer V to create depth to the eyes more. I swear to god, these shadows are so pretty. If you don't own this, then you are missing out on some major stuff. Go buy this palette guys and buy me one more too. Now using this beige shadow, I'm applying it on lower lash line just to blend the creasing there. Using peach shimmer shadow, I'm applying it on the middle of the lash line. So, it looks beautiful with a pop of color and oh my god, who is she? Now, these are 5 lipsticks 3CE launched in this collection. It has beautiful, sleek packaging. Now expiry date is mentioned underneath the lipsticks with shade name. The slanted elliptical tip of the lipstick allows easy application in single swipe. So the first color is Peach Play. It is a nude peach or pink color. The lipsticks have rich pigments that are long lasting as well. The colors are very matte. This color unfortunately is the only color that accentuates your lip wrinkles. Now Cotton Up is a coral color, more pink undertone in it. It's very creamy like all lipsticks and it looks so cute on me. Now it also smooths your wrinkles. Goddess Sing is orange color, deep orange color that after few hours of application turns into brown orange, but trust me, it is such a beautiful and creamy lipstick. I love this one. Even the color makes your skin tone brighter. Muse Filter is a beautiful pink color that will complement any skin color. It is such a feminine color. Hold On is the most pink shade and my favorite one in the entire collection. It is a mauve color and perfect for summer. It is so pretty. So, which one is your favorite? One of the reasons to spend $240 in this entire collection were the blushes. It has such vibrant peach and pink lines. Oh my god. 3CE makes the best blushes in the whole world. Soft Salmon is a neon peach blush. Oh my god. Hold me. It looks so cute. By the way, these blushes don't move on your foundation and it even blurs your pores. 3CE blushes are dupe for Tarte blushes. Peach Splash is a nude peach color. All the blushes are very easy to blend and give natural look. On the cheeks, Peach Splash looks so divine. Of course, you can build the color up as much as you want. Pure Cake is a pastel pink blush and this looks so cute on the face too. Full of Charm is a neon coral blush. Now, Full of Charm and Soft Salmon confused me so much that I spent $240 and bought the entire collection. Delectable is a vibrant pink colored blush that brings life on your face. Which blush is your favorite? So what did you like the most in this video? Which part was your favorite? Do leave your feedback, and this is Melanie Hutchinson signing off. Bye!